Welcome to Mindful Meditation Session. Dear friends, just find a comfortable meditation position, either sitting on a cushion on the floor or on a chair. Just keep your back straight and shoulder loose and relaxed. And let your hand rest in your lap and gently close your eyes. Feel rooted, safe and comfortable. The mindful meditation is the master key how to be just yourself in prayerfulness, in relaxed awareness. So just starting with the session, let's take few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Slow and deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Slow, deep breath. And now becoming aware of your body. Sitting here, notice the sense of contact between your body and the seat beneath you. Notice your feet on the floor. Notice your clothes against your skin. Now, let's consider a metaphor. Within the strong, turbulent winds of a hurricane, the center of the hurricane, is quiet. There is no wind and no movement there. For a moment, picture this idea in your mind. Can you imagine, visualize the strong turbulent winds of a hurricane and the inner core that is peaceful and quiet? Let's see. If you become the center of the hurricane, your current circumstances, your thoughts, your feelings, and the sensations throughout your body can be compared to the winds of a hurricane. Is it possible for you to let go all these things for a moment so that you are no longer taking part in them? Like the center of the hurricane is not taking part in the turbulent surrounding winds. To do this, start by focusing on your breath. Simply breathe in and breathe out, focusing inward. Just like the eye is deep within the hurricane, your eye is deep within you. Use your breath to connect this part of you. Simply breathe in and breathe out. Stay connected to your breath. Just stay connected to your breath. If anything stressful happen in this moment, maybe some negative thoughts, unpleasant feelings, or any annoying sounds, difficult life events, memories, try to look at them as if they are the turbulent winds of the hurricane whirling around, continually changing, unpredictable in nature. Notice that you are not them. You are the silent center of the hurricane, the part that is peaceful despite what is happening around you. You are the silent center of the hurricane, peaceful and at peace. You are not reacting, you are simply observing. Like the wind of the hurricane, these experiences are constantly moving and changing. You, on the other hand, are stable. You are not moving or being carried away by them. As you are breathing, notice how you move more and more towards the center of the hurricane, towards the eye. Just like the turbulent winds of the hurricane, your feelings and whatever is happening outside yourself is still going on, but you are no longer part of it. You are in a safe, peaceful place. Breathing in and breathing out. As you are sitting here, connected to your eye, notice whatever arises. Just notice, observe, witness the winds of the hurricane, but do not participate. Stay in the eye. Notice thoughts. Notice feelings. Notice sensation. Continue to watch the ever-changing nature of the world inside and outside you. Watch from a distance with curiosity and without judgment, without reacting to see. Now enter into your own centered, calm, and the peaceful place. Just abide in your own relaxed awareness, and you will see, no matter how intense or bad the hurricane gets, the eye is always centered, calm, and at ease. Even the most turbulent hurricane cannot hurt or harm the eye. The eye is safe. Whenever you feel you need to restore your inner peace, use your breath to connect to this silent part of yourself. Just breathe in and breathe out. It may help you to visualize the hurricane with yourself in the center. It can be difficult to see the eye of the hurricane at times, and sometimes we forgot the eye is there. However, it is always there if we examine closely enough. Even the strongest, darkest hurricane, sooner or later, we will see the eye centered and constant. Just be there with your breath for few moments. Just be there, centered, calm, in your relaxed awareness. And now, when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Eyes open with a broad smile in your face.